Since 2004, Kids Excel El Paso has been bringing the work of Jacques D'Amboise and the National Dance Institute to the children of El Paso County. Mr. D'Amboise founded NDI in 1976 while still a principal dancer with New York City Ballet, and his acclaimed and award-winning pedagogy continues to teach the magic and discipline of dance to thousands of children each year. The students participating in Kids Excel average 90% minority, 80% economically disadvantaged, 60% at risk, and 55% limited English proficient. Our programming aims to fulfill the need for arts education in the El Paso public school system, build confidence and self-esteem, and inspire children to achieve more than they ever considered possible.
Doing Kids Excel is a wonderful thing that gives kids who are shy and afraid self-confidence.
You have changed my life, and I thank you for that.
Fourth grade kids are amazed by Kids Excel. If it were not for Kids Excel, this year would have been too boring.
Thank you for giving us a chance to dance. We were able to dance at the Plaza Theater where famous people perform. We're not famous or rich, we're just normal kids. But the day we went to the plaza, we were stars, and you let us be stars.
It is our honor and privilege to continue Jacques' work in our little corner of Texas, shining the spotlight on nearly 2,000 children each week, work that truly impacts so many young lives. We thank you for your past and continued support of our organization.